morning all of you. Last lecture we learned about the introduction of HTML. Now in this lecture we discuss about the HTML tags. We know that the web page is nothing but the collection of data, or it is HTML page is nothing but only the text file which contain the data, and that data is nothing but related to the HTML elements. HTML elements are nothing but HTML elements are created by using the tags, and that tags we have to learn in this chapter. HTML tags are nothing but the commands used in a HTML, and how these command and this structure of the HTML tags we have to discuss in this lecture. Then tag is nothing but the HTML command, and tag structure is here. Tag is contained within the less than symbol, tag name, greater than symbol. Here is nothing but the content of text file, or the text content, whatever it may be displayed in your web page. And the tag end with the slash, less than symbol, slash, and tag name. This is the general structure of writing the tags. There are many tags present in HTML. The HTML tag has two types, that is pair tag and the singular tag. Pair tag are nothing but the tag which are start and which must have the start and end. For example, p tag and content here, and less than greater slash p, that is the end of the p tag. This is called as the pair tag because it must has the start pair and the end pair. Second is the singular tag. Singular tags are the tag which doesn't have the end pair, which must only used only one time into your HTML document or the web page. For example, br tag, which is called as the singular tag because it doesn't have any pair tag with or end tag with that particular tag. Then there are many tags in HTML, and that tags are structured within the various categories. First category of the tag is the basic tags in HTML. What are the basic tags? The first tag is HTML is the HTML tag, or it is called as the document tag. HTML tag, which is used to create the HTML file. HTML tags syntax is less than HTML and slash HTML. In this HTML tag, your whole document is contained with header section, with body section. One of the things I forgot to tell is that HTML tags also contain the tag name and its attribute structure. Attributes, here are the contents and slash tag name. Then attribute is nothing but the set of key value pair which will be applied to your tag. For example, the attribute name and equal to the value. Next coming tag, we learn the example of these attributes. Then next basic tag is the header tag. Header tag is nothing but the tag which will use to set up the header information of your HTML. It comes after the HTML tag, head, slash header tag, and slash HTML. This is the structure of writing the header tag. In header tag, you have to set number of information which will be related to the header, and one of the tag within the header tag is the title tag. Title tag, syntax of the title tag is title. Here is the title of your web page, slash title, slash header tag, and slash HTML. Here you have to set your web page title by using title tag, and title tag included within the header tag. Next important tag of your HTML is the body tag. Body tag is used to set up the web page body of your web page. For example, this is the screen of your computer. Here the title information, title bar are present, and this part is called as the body of your web page, and that body is contained within your body tag. Then how to set the body and what are the attributes within the body tags. Body tag is the important tag where your all the text or data is displayed on your screen. Body tag is started by using less than body symbol, and here are the attribute list you want to set with the body tag and slash body tag. Major attribute which are used with the body tag are background. Background, this is used to set the background image to your web page or the body tag. Here you have to write down the path of the image file which you want to include it within your web page. Background, here you have to write the whole or the detailed path or the full path. For example, C colon slash image folder slash a1.jpg. That image must be, or image will be included within your body tag. This is the one of the attribute of the body tag. Next attribute of the body tag is the text. This text attribute defines the color of the text which will be displayed on your screen or the body. You have to write the color within the various format. For example, one of the format is the hexadecimal format, and that is defined by